When people study behavioral insights, what we found, and this is a very simple takeaway that you can bring to your organization, whether you want to talk about internal transformation or even attracting your customers, for that matter, even to nurture our children, into a set of desirable behaviors despite their cognitive biases, is actually the word is. Okay, when we talk about the word is, right, this is the easiest of them all. There are a lot more which are a bit more complicated. I will share with you later, right? But it's a simple, pragmatic framework, easy, attractive, social, and timely. So, kalau lah, if you were to give an example, right, you want to create change for your people, try to make sure that the change is easy, not the change is difficult, right? So, if the change is very difficult, complicated, and that's one reason why many softwares fail, because people want to try to find something, can't find. People don't go into your website because after the first time dia tak jumpa apa yang dia cari, right? Then you have issues. So when we were dealing with the Singapore government websites, they actually have the 3-click pay rule. The pay rule is 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, you can get any information available in the website. Kalau kena 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sampai 10 klik tak jumpa juga, they will not visit your website again, right? So that is a whole concept of trying to make it easy, right? So contoh lain, if you find that the way you lay out the office, it is actually difficult to get the necessary information, rather than nak ambil file tu jauh lah, nak get this information is very difficult, people will have challenge or getting the information that they need and try to make decision based on whatever that they are having right now without new information. Contohnya, if your transformation in the organization is going to be very, very difficult, then you find that the take-up will be more difficult. So even when you talk to your boss about change, if you talk about all the elaborate stuff, and I will share with you some very elaborate stuff later, right? Very elaborate things, sometimes very difficult. If you throw to your boss, I give you a journal to read, some referee journal, this is fantastic. Your boss, jangan kata, I mean not all bosses, some bosses will actually not even take up that article and just throw it one side because it is not easy to read. But if you put in your PowerPoint something which is digestible, okay, this, then you find that you have a chance to get the listening ear, whether it's from management or from the people. So even like if you talk about memory, you talk about processing, our brain can only process 3 to 5, maximum 7 items at any one point in time. So if I tell you now, easy, attractive, timely, social, I give you 10 points, you will forget about it. But because I want you to remember, I only limit to 4 points. If you apply this, easy, attractive, social, and timely is, then you are already 50% there. So far as using behaviors and the cognitive bias of people to create that transformation that you want. Second, of course, attractive lah. So when I do my slides, I can have a lot of words, but you notice I have a lot more pictures, I have a lot more white space, so that people, even though I give the description so that orang boleh faham sedikit the description, but this is what jumps into your conscience, right? This is what jumps into your conscience.